Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna check out the top 5 best grass seeds in the market for this year. I made this based on my personal opinion and I try to list them based on a price, quality, durability, and more information about these best grass seeds. You can check out the description below. So let's get started. Number 1. Scott's Turf Builder Grass Seed Sun and Shade Mix. Scott's Turf Builder Grass Seed Sun and Shade Mix thrives in scorching sunlight or densely shaded conditions, making it our top choice. This fine-bladed grass mix can even hold up in droughts and cold winters. It begins to grow in 5 to 10 days. You can mow it after blades reach 3 inches in height. For optimum growth, water your lawn twice daily for 3 weeks. Each individual seed, wrapped in a special WaterSmart Plus coating, absorbs twice the amount of water as its uncoated counterparts. The coating also protects your seedlings from various lawn diseases and feeds them essential nutrients to jumpstart growth. Although this mix tolerates extreme weather changes, Scott's does not recommend using it in southern states. Number 2. Pennington One Step Complete for dense shade areas. Pennington One Step Complete blends the brand's smart seed with mulch and professional-grade fertilizer, allowing the lawn to thrive in densely shaded areas. This all-in-one grass seed sprouts seedlings in as little as 2 weeks, even in the tricky corners of your lawn that don't see more than 2 to 4 hours of direct sunlight a day. Whether you're growing a lawn from scratch or just looking to patch up sparse areas, this ultra-absorbent mixture is a quick and easy solution for achieving a lush, spot-free yard. Number 3. WaterSaver Grass Mixture with Turf-type Tall Fescue used to seed new lawn. WaterSaver contains a mixture of turf-quality tall fescue and RFD, rhizomatous tall fescue, seeds. The blend has a gorgeous color, a nice texture, and stands up to various diseases. This lawn seed establishes quickly, roots deeply, and retains water, allowing it to tolerate high temps and drought conditions. It thrives in the sun or shade, and, thanks to its deep roots, you can mow it shorter than other varieties. Number 4. HydroMoose Liquid Lawn Bermuda Grass Seed. HydroMoose is easy to apply and provides the perfect solution for homeowners with patchy lawns that need repair. Fix dry spots, dog spots, high traffic areas in shade. Attaches to any garden hose and eliminates guesswork by clearly showing you where you are planting. Each kit is enough to cover up to 500 SQFT for overseeding or 165 SQFT for new lawn, and will include the spray head, the coating chamber, canister, the grass seed blend that is suitable for all climates, and the HydroMoose liquid formula foam. Grow grass anywhere, subject to proper care. Please follow all directions on package to achieve and establish a desirable lawn. Achieving and maintaining a lush-looking lawn is not difficult if you use HydroMoose. Remember, proper preparation and watering is crucial for seeding success. Number 5. Scott's PatchMaster Lawn Repair Mix Sun and Shade Mix. Scott's PatchMaster Lawn Repair Mix Sun Plus Shade Mix has an improved, easy-to-spread formula. Scott's PatchMaster Lawn Repair Mix includes seed, 100% recycled pelletized paper mulch to help keep the seeds moist during establishment, and fertilizer to help feed seedlings for up to 6 weeks for fast growth and thick results. And it's backed by Scott's no-quibble money-back guarantee. Improved, easy-to-spread formula. Starts to grow in as few as 7 days. Absorbs 3x its weight in water to keep the seeds moist. Feeds up to 6 weeks. All-in-one bare spot repair.